2012. New Jersey, stand up. 10/21/79 when I first arrived. 11/29 old name hospital, New Jersey pod. Never good at visualize people and places and things I find through these eyes that seen lies and love for the first time. Eyes that cried, eyes that shine, eyes that live in new refine. Been through crime, drama, beef, death, life shutting wide. It ain't hard to survive, but it's hard to live right. Hard to feel good about the day and go to sleep at night. So tell me, life treat you right? Do you treat it the same, or do you need me to drag your ass out here to fix some pain? Said it used to be my mate, but that's for another time. I take it back like slapping cats for leather hats in '89. Stealing signs off the past, Nike years and triple fats. Had love for that girl from Duncan, but I never took the chance. Now I'm older, soldier molded through the future, present, past. And yes, I'll be a friend, but cross me and I'll bust that ass. I ain't got time for no games, only worry about myself and my mother. Cause I love her, though I rarely treat her well. There's a place for me in heaven, cause I served my time in hell. Wasn't always strong enough to get up every time I fell, but like the sun I rise, or Christ in April pays for keeps. I got love for my people, but more love for the streets, and don't got love for that killer who don't see how I see. And I hold you down, son, if you stood beside me. Keep it real with the deal, son. Tell me how you feel. These headbeats can never seem like us who build how we build. Yo, it's ill how some niggas never get a chance to shine. You may escape from the drama, but it'll get that ass in time. I spill your blood by the cup like this was the last summer, and jerk my dick in front of the cops like smoking dust last summer. Get him underneath his skin like 10 bags of heroin. I'm from New Jersey, God respect the gangsta. I play this game to win. I live in sin, but I pay my dues. Walk in those shoes, and I listen to what you say, but you can't tell me shit, dude. Keep it lies to yourself and get the fuck up off my block. I don't pack gats and kill, I push weight or that rock. Smoke dust, throw down tap holes and dodge cops. Go to work in the morning and at night I play the block. I keep it real with myself. Even a crab can leave me murk, but I'm a man. Had these cats, bitch talk shit, I pull they skirt. It's like abuse and accept, choosing to rap, use intellect, views and perspective, lessons, concentrate inequality, my confrontations and apologies, the consequences from authorities, the documents of anthropology. Follow me, I walk through dry desert sands in my feet. It was a pleasure just to see you. I'm glad we could meet. The lengths we could reach depend on our strength to go to feet. Miles in the heat, ARCHIVE. Once lost but now found, shepherd to the sheep. Power hand for the weak, scour land so I eat and tower over the streets. However, son, it may be definite, or maybe it's corrected for our babies. No matter how crazy, doctor of the earth, proper for the search. Drop you in the dirt and pop you out the hearse like January 1st. New beginnings, new years, new ways of living. Did we reach the end? Nah, it's just the beginning. Peace to all my peoples dead and in prison, in the world and still living. Muslim, Hebrew, and Christian. This the christening. Throw your chips in, we kingpins. Songs you can swing with, hit wifey the ring with. Step in the ring, kid. Moving through the system. Who's this? Is John Millions. Peace, kid. My thing did true and living. Follow religion and still it's like refuse and accept. Choosing to rap, use intellect, views and perspective, lessons, concentrate inequality, my confrontations and apologies, my confrontations and apologies. It's like refuse and accept, choosing to rap, use intellect, views and perspective, lessons, concentrate inequality from confrontations through apologies. Because I'm sorry for what I did if I offended you. That's just the way life goes sometimes, homie. Get with it to get lost. Peace to my man on the productions. That's how we do this, New Jersey kid, 212. We're shaking, baby.